So we start off today's video with this gorgeous pixie haircut transformation. This client has extremely thick hair, and I am loving this pixie shape that was created. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. And then the stylist takes things a step further and turns this into an all-white pixie. Absolutely incredible. This has got to be one of my favorite all-time transformations. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video is going to feature a variety of hairstyles and of course transformations. So if you've been dreaming of a brand new do, this channel is for you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the like button if you want to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another pixie cut. This one is blonde. And then we move into another hair color transformation. So she starts off with brown hair. Stylist cuts the hair into more of a bob shape, longer bob. She ended up getting this gorgeous sandy blonde coloring. Very nice. Next up, we see someone rocking burgundy hair. So instead of cutting her hair, she's going to be adding in some tape-in extensions for some length and volume. Loving this burgundy hair shade that she has. This is absolutely gorgeous. So next up we see a pixie with a beautiful design detailing. And then we have this thick-haired pixie cut. I love the amount of volume that she has with this cut. Absolutely breathtaking. So if you would try any of these hairstyles featured in today's video, let us know in the comments below which ones are your favorite. So here we have the stylist doing a gorgeous pixie style. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. So glad we got to see the process, and that color is absolutely beautiful. Then we have a bob haircut transformation. And this is a nice, simple, classic bob style here. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out today's hairstyles and transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.